Stop what you're doing, because this could be the biggest shift in the crypto market that you don't want to miss. Solana has quietly building momentum, and right now it's showing signs of massive breakout that could change the entire game. Is Solana about to surpass Ethereum and become the next crypto king? Could this be the Ethereum killer we've been waiting for? I'm diving into technicals, fundamentals, and everything in between to find out if Solana is ready to skyrocket to $1,000. Crazy, right? But it's closer than you think. And here is the kicker. If Bitcoin breaks that crucial $72,000 level, we could be looking at a green light for Solana to moonshot like never before. You will want to stick around for this one, because today we're not just talking hype, we're backing up with real analysis. Let's get into it. Before we jump into Solana specifically, let's take a look at the overall crypto market. Bitcoin has been the trendsetter, and as always, it plays a crucial role in what happens next for altcoins. Ethereum has had its ups and downs, but Solana has been quietly building momentum, attracting attention for its speed, efficiency, and growing ecosystem. But does that mean it's ready to surpass Ethereum? Let's dive in and find out. Alright, let's get into the real action here, charts. This is where things start to get really interesting, and where we can see just how big of a potential move Solana might be gearing up for. Now, if you have been watching Solana like I have, you will know that it broke out of that key $124 resistance level about 6 months ago. Since then, it's been moving a sideways range, which at first glance might seem like indecision, or worse, a weak bearish trend creeping in. But before you jump to conclusions, let's take a closer look at what's actually happening here. When we zoom out and look at Solana's price action over the past year, we can clearly see a strong bullish momentum that pushed up the price significantly. After that initial surge, we've entered the consolidation phase, which could easily be mistaken for weakness. However, when we combine these two movements, the sharp run up followed by the sideways action, it starts to look like a bullish flag pattern in the making. Now, for those who might not be familiar, a bullish flag pattern is when the market makes a strong upward move, just like Solana did, and then consolidates in a channel. If this pattern confirms with a breakout to the upside, it could lead to an explosive move. And I'm talking about the potential for Solana to shoot up to $1,000. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but hear me out. It's not as far-fetched as it seems, especially if everything in the crypto market starts to align. But here is a kicker. This whole bullish scenario for Solana heavily depends on one thing: Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still the leader of the pack, the pioneer of the entire market. If Bitcoin can break through its massive resistance at $72,000, that's the signal we need for Solana to start its moonshot. Think of Bitcoin as a gatekeeper. If it opens the gate, then coins like Solana will be free to fly. But let's not forget about Ethereum, Solana's big rival. Ethereum has been showing a weaker price action compared to Solana over past few weeks. And this is really important. While Solana has been consolidating after a strong move, Ethereum has been struggling to find any real direction. This could be a sign that Solana is gearing up for another push while Ethereum stalls. In other words, we might be witnessing the beginning of Solana outperforming Ethereum in the next major upside move. But wait, we are not done yet. We need to dig deeper into Ethereum performance. And to do that, we need to look at ETH BTC chart. This chart shows us how Ethereum is performing relative to Bitcoin. And it's absolutely crucial in understanding where Ethereum might be headed. Take a look at this. Ethereum is approaching a key demand area on the weekly chart. This zone has historically acted as strong support, meaning if Bitcoin starts another rally, Ethereum might have a better chance of outperforming Bitcoin. Now let's talk about Solana again, but this time relative to Bitcoin. When I pull up the Sol BTC chart, I see something exciting, a confluence of bullish patterns. We have got an ascending triangle, a potential bullish flag, and even early stages of what could turn into a cup and handle pattern. These are all very bullish formations, and they are appearing right here on the weekly chart. This is significant because it suggests that Solana has the potential to outperform Bitcoin, something that could really drive its price higher if the broader market turns bullish. Now when I compare ETH BTC chart to Sol BTC chart, Solana just looks stronger. The patterns forming on the Sol BTC chart are much more bullish than what we are seeing on ETH BTC chart. This leads me to believe that if we do see a market-wide rally, Solana has a higher probability of outperforming Ethereum. But let's take this analysis one step further. To really drill down into Solana's potential, we need to look at the Sol ETH chart. This chart directly compares Solana's strength to Ethereum. And this is where things get really exciting. Right here in the daily chart, we are seeing a textbook cup and handle pattern forming. For those who don't know, a cup and handle pattern is one of the most reliable bullish signals out there. If this pattern completes and breaks out to the upside, it would be a strong indication that Solana is ready to outperform Ethereum in a big way. So let's sum this up. We have got multiple bullish patterns on the Sol BTC chart. We have got Solana showing strength compared to Ethereum. And we have got a cup and handle forming on the Sol ETH chart. All of this points to one conclusion. Solana could very well outperform Ethereum in the next major bull run. The technicals are lining up. The momentum is building. And if Bitcoin gives the green light by breaking $72,000, we could see Solana take off like never before. Alright, now that we've broken down the charts, let's talk fundamentals. Because at the end of the day, strong fundamentals are what sustain a long-term bull run. Solana's got some serious momentum behind it, not just in the price, but in the growth of its ecosystem and its on-chain metrics. Let's start with one of the most important indicators, users' activity on the network. Here is something that really caught my attention. On-chain data for Solana shows that the numbers of active addresses has surged with a massive 4x growth from last year until now. That's right, 4 times as many people are actively using the Solana network compared to just a year ago. This isn't just traders speculating on price. This is real activity happening on the blockchain. People are building, transacting, and participating in Solana's ecosystem in a way that we've never seen before. And it doesn't stop here. The number of new addresses on the Solana network has absolutely skyrocketed up more than 10x from last year. That's an insane level of growth. And it shows that more and more people are joining the network every day. This kind of adoption is critical because it indicates that Solana isn't just passing trend. It's becoming a serious competitor in the crypto space. Now let's compare that to Ethereum. While Ethereum on-chain metrics have seen growth, they haven't grown nearly as much as Solana's. This could be a sign that Solana is catching up to Ethereum faster than anyone expected. More users, more activities, and a growing ecosystem are all strong indicators that Solana has the fundamentals to back up its price action. So when we combine the technical analysis with the fundamental growth we are seeing, the conclusion becomes pretty clear. Solana has a potential to outpace Ethereum, both in price action and in user adoption. Now, does this mean it's guaranteed? Absolutely not. The crypto market is unpredictable and anything can happen. That is why I always recommend you to do your own research. But based on what we have seen today, Solana is definitely a project worth keeping an eye on as we move forward into the next phase of the crypto market. So what do you think? Could Solana really surpass Ethereum? I would love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment down below. And if you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into crypto market. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.